When working on a project, we tend to follow some coding guidelines or best practices. Now, if you are using Copilot, then you can also tell Copilot about what guidelines and what best practices to follow, so that when Copilot generates code for you, it can follow those best practices. Now, for demo purpose, I have a simple React Native app. It can be any app actually. What you need to do is, if you don't have a GitHub folder already, then go ahead and create one and then add a new file. The file is called copilot dash instructions.md. And in this file, you can define what guidelines you want Copilot to follow. It can be anything. I have three simple guidelines here, which I want Copilot to follow when it generates the code for me. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Go ahead and use it, and I'll highly recommend you have this file in your project so that you don't have to, do the manual work of whatever styling you follow in your project. Thank you.